Right guys, it's nearly 12 and I'm about to edit the day's stuff, but guess what? I met Vera.
Hi, I'm Vera from USKPrague.
Yeah, and we're gonna look at her sketches, so let's do that, okay? Since she's here. I think there are only two of us staying here at the generator. It's an awesome place. We've got air conditioning, we've got elevators, yes,
and park and lake.
There's a huge park and lake out there, and this is an old school, really old school. If you watch Back to the Future, 1955, it's that school that Marty McFly was in. Check it out. There's the chemistry room, the auditorium. It's just amazing.
And around there was a zoo. Someone told me.
Yeah, it's near the zoo. Yeah. So let's look at some of her stuff. She did small thumbnails, huh?
Yeah.
Look at that. Are these all just around here? And
yeah, that's only Amsterdam.
How long did you take to do one?
Like these are like 3 minutes. The beginning.
3 minutes? Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
And this is like 10-15 minutes.
10-15 minutes. Okay. And you said you're trying this out for the first time, small thumbnails. What was your inspiration to do this?
Because we had in Prague Urban Sketches, we had 4 days or 3 days workshop with Veronica, Levlor and Melanie, and it was about thumbnails and about sketching very fast.
Okay. And what are you gonna do with the small thumbnails?
I will think about them and go to the places which I select to make a big picture with a longer time.
Yeah, with more time. Okay. What's your favorite spot so far here in Amsterdam? What do you like?
My favorite spot?
Yeah.
I haven't drawn. It's a special hidden garden in historical Amsterdam. In previous time it was from monks. It's beautiful.
So you try to go there tomorrow?
With B, I don't remember it.
Are you trying to go there? Will you try to go there tomorrow?
Probably it's on the sketch walk number 1. It's included in this sketch walk.
Okay. So maybe you will try to go and sketch?
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Okay. Can you show us what was your favorite sketch from this book?
Okay. Either the kids running behind the pigeons.
Yeah.
Or the boat.
Okay.
We were melting, and it's a very far distance place for sketch walk number 6.
Yeah.
We were almost dying to get there, but then we were very happy because we will never go there. And we find a nice place where many people from Amsterdam are swimming. And there is also a nice restaurant too.
Okay. This is at the marina with the VOC ship.
It's even behind.
Okay.
It's another island. Sketch walk number 6.
It's been really warm during the week. How do you cope with the heat?
I'm melting.
Just like all
everybody,
of us.
yes.
Okay. But are you still enjoying yourself?
Yes, I am enjoying myself and Amsterdam and urban sketching symposium and goodies and people around.
Okay, that's good. That's what it's all about. Yeah. Do you want to show us this book too?
I love this workshop with Liz Steele. It's just perfect. Just perfect.
Okay, what was it about?
The main story is decision, selection, and simplification.
Okay, very good. So you learn how to design your page.
Yes, we were learning, or we were talking about how to design the page, and then the energy coming from Liz is so great.
Yes, it is.
That I absorb it, and I'm very happy to meet her.
So this is your workshop sketchbook, and this is your sketchbook.
Yes.
Wow. Okay. Thank you so much, Vera, for joining us this session. This is truly a coincidence. I just saw her, and tomorrow's our last day, unfortunately. Yeah. But thanks for watching this channel. Until the next one.
Bye bye.
Sorry, we just have to cut to this. This is really important. Vera just started urban sketching in January.
Yes, that's true.
So it's been 7 months, 6 months, you know? My point is, yeah, it's never too late to start. Just pick up a pen, pencil, and just do it.
There is another thing, but it's very good. You can inspire other people, like your kids and your grandpa, grandmother, everybody around you.
Yes, that's right. You can inspire the people around you too. Yeah. So, very quickly, Vera's gonna share with us a little bit more about USKPrague.
Okay, Urban Sketches Prague, we have a very active group. We are meeting 2 times a week in minimum, once during the week and once during the weekend for a sketchwalk. And it's a sketchwalk very popular, and usually a lot of people, at least like 10 or 30 people appear. And then we have also meeting for live figure drawing once or 2 times a week also. And then some of us are traveling to Vienna to visit urban sketches there and other stuff. And we have very active people. We did exhibition, we are preparing the book, and we are very happy if anybody join us.
That was perfect.